going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. So today we're working on the EG. So what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to quickly chuck some fuel in it, going to get a battery on it, see if she starts. It's Honda, so of course it is. Yeah, I'm going to get it on the ramps and have a look, see what she's like underneath. Timmy Dog asked what it was like, and honestly I don't know. I think it would be right. Obviously, Ben won't do me over, bless him, so he did me a deal on this. So yeah, just like I say, I'm going to stick the battery on, get it on the ramp. My aim is, there's an event coming up local to us called Scunny Dubbers. So it's going to be full of Volkswagen cars, but let's do a Jap takeover there. So I'm going to try and get this ready. I don't know about bodywork, I might try and tidy it up. It's like a charity event as well, so they're going to do some quarter miling. So for a laugh, I'm just going to take this down in between while I'm doing the EP3, and yeah, so let's get it on the ramp. Power. Where's my trusty 10mm? Yes. But will she start? It's a good sign. Let's go. Whoa. Purrs like a kitten. Awesome. Let's go and listen to her. Needs a bit of a tidy up, clean up, but sweet. Right, I ain't got the lights on in the garage, as you can see, but the car's on the ramp now. So yeah, as you can notice, there's no drive shafts because Ben took them out of this car and put them in another car. But no worries, we've got some new shafts coming. Only thing that we've noticed is there's a leak from this wheel cylinder, so we're going to order, well, both sides. We might as well do the pair of them. But I mean, as you can see, there's a little bit of rust, there, but it's only surface. And the repair works were around here. There's a bit that's still left to do up at the top there. See if we can get you in. Just there where the arch needs to be finished off, and this has already been repaired, so we're going to sand it back, or strip it back and paint it all up, probably clean all this up, and we'll schultz all underneath here as well. Yeah, so pretty much she's fairly clean underneath. So there you go, at least we know that we've got a decent EG. Front brakes just need cleaning up, I think, really. Probably refurb them as well. Exhaust, probably could do with getting rid of the cat and putting a decent back box on there, but that's at a later date. And got a set of wheels coming for them as well. And then to Scunny Dubbers. So that is a wrap to this video. I'm going to call the car Lazarus because we're resurrecting it, and she's now going to be alive. A couple of things that we noticed. It needs new front discs, new pads, and also, like I said, the wheel cylinders on the back. So going to do them. Obviously, while the calipers are off, I'll paint them up and paint them up red. And also, probably going to put some new wishbones on, because like the bottom bushes are looking a bit worn out, but other than that, it's it is what it is. It's a 1995 car, so yeah, 24 years old, whatever it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We're going to crack on with this, and I'll see you on the next one. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking.